Welcome to Python Pandas course. Hi, my name is Pooja Pokhriyal, your instructor for the same. In today's lecture, I am going to introduce Pandas data frame. We will see how to create a data frame and how to access elements of it. As I have discussed that data analysis is much easier using Pandas library. Here you can see examples of data. In tabular format, we have rows and columns. So when we talk about data frame, it is a two-dimensional labeled data structure, or we can say it is like a table with rows and columns. Here you can see we have one column that is labeled with air, and when we combine this column with another column, combined data structure is known as data frame. So data frame is just like a table with rows and column. So here this data frame is having 2 columns and 5 rows. So data frame can have multiple rows and multiple columns. Now let's see how to create a data frame using Pandas library. Now open Visual Studio Code. Click on File and then create new file. So file with default name will be created. Now you can save this file as Python file. Just click on File and go to this Save As option. Click here. Now you can give name to your Python file. So we are going to deal with data frame. So I am giving data frame demo. Right? You can give any name. Now from this you can select the type of file. So we are going to deal with Python file. So just select Python and then click Save. Now this is your Python file. Now you are ready to code. So we are going to deal with Pandas library. So first we need to import Pandas. I am giving aliasing to it as PD. So we are going to refer Pandas as PD. Now I am going to create data frame using dictionary. So first create a dictionary. As you know, dictionary contain key values pair. So just assign key and then associated values. So I am just giving random data. According to your requirement, you can assign values to it. Now another key and then associated value. So we have dictionary with 2 keys, air and code. With air values are this, with code values are this list, right? Now to create data frame from this dictionary, you need to write PD. PD is name for Pandas dot, and then you need to use function data frame, and inside parenthesis you need to pass dictionary. So here dictionary name is dict. Now it is going to return data frame. So you can assign it in some variable. So my variable name is df, and then just print the value of this df to see the content of your data frame. Now press Ctrl S, and here you can see this green button. Click here and your Python file will be run and it will give the output. So from this up arrow you can maximize this screen, and now you can see the output. So we have 2 columns. So in our code we haven't specified any index. By default index values are 0, 1, 2, as we have discussed it in previous lecture. So when we don't specify any index value, default index values are 0, 1, 2, right? Now if you want to specify your index value, you need to pass another parameter over here. So put comma and then write index. Now inside square bracket you can pass your index value. So according to your logic, you can specify the index values. Now click on this green button to see the output, to see the difference. Now you can see now index values are ABC. Earlier index values were 0, 1, 2, right? So this way you can change index values. Now if you want to display specific column values, you can do the same. So you need to write data frame, and then inside a square bracket you need to specify column name, and this column will be printed, right? So just click on this green button, and then you can see here with code values are 101, 102, 103. So this column values have been printed, right? So using this syntax you can display corresponding column values. If you wish to print a specific row, you can do using LOC function. You need to specify index number, and this index value, A means first row, so it will print first row. If you will specify B, so it will print second row. So based on these index values you can print corresponding row, right? So for simplicity I am just commenting this line and this line. So we are going to print row with index value B. So just click here and see the output. See, with B associated values are 2020 and 102, right? If you want to print a specific column value, then you need to specify column name as well. For example, you want to access row number B and then column code, so it will display the value associated with this column and with this row. So when you run this code, output will be, you can see 102 has been displayed because code value is 102 for index value B, right? So with LOC function you can display specific row value. Now you know how to create a data frame using dictionary and how to access elements of it. You can access particular column value or you can access a specific row value as well. Thank you. Now we will meet in the next lecture.